Let's check out yet another hot spring. This hotel actually has four hot springs. It's hot and steamy and my Huawei doesn't really know how to deal with this situation. I suppose nobody took it in a hot spring. So I think it's so romantic to see how this sulfuric water is corroding everything in time. See this doggy or lion or wild boar, whatever he is, very much like the Roman Empire public bath. And this is some other era. So it's so nice to have this, you know, mixture of cultures. This one makes me think of the Terme Romane or Pompeii or something, like really ancient spas. And this pool here, 42 Celsius, that one is a little less, 38, 40. And we have here the pipe where this hot spring natural water is coming from outside. This here, it's called like a flower, like hot spring flower, because it's like it deposits itself, and it's like a, I don't know, in the caves, the stalactites and stalagmites, it grows there, and it's the minerals that are in the water. This hot spring is not so clear, so there are many minerals in the water. And first you wash yourself over there, and then you would dive in one of these pools to warm yourself up. We're back to the project of trying multiple hot springs a day, and this is a different one. Today I've already been to the one with the monkeys, so let's see this one. And this hot spring also has some Grecian Roman decoration here. The hot spring minerals are making this crust on his cute little face. And it feels like I'm going to be calcified myself if I stay too long in this. That could happen because there is this year, it's like a nice round seat where you can enjoy sitting for a while. It matches your body shape. See, this is the hot spring mark. And there is one more here. Ta-da! And this one is private. You can lock the room and have it to yourself. Let's try the next one. It's out there in the snow. Ta-da! Outside in the snow. And look at this. See the two turtles? They are called Kame in Japanese, and it's the name of the Ryokan KAMEYA. And look, there is snow on their house, and this is like a little shrine for some god, with the god of the turtles. Ah, how nice the water. It's really hot. I really like hot springs. So for now, this is my favorite because it's outside and it's very, very hot. And I love it to be like 44 Celsius. So this one is the best. And it's a private for yourself. See, it's just me. And there is a lovely room to get ready when you finished. Finished to dry. And as you can see, I'm wearing a Japanese yukata, which is provided by the hotel. On it, it is written Kameya. Kameya. And interestingly enough, the design also resembles a turtle. Very cute. It's the name of the place, and wearing this yukata and with an overcoat also in the same design, you are allowed to stroll the city and see all the free spas. And I think there are 11, at least 11 free spas where you can dip and try different temperatures and different rooms. And I can promise we're gonna do that. I would like to, but I'm a bit worried to go out in the cold like this, but you will see there are many people doing that. And yes, we are talking in a mirror. Open air bath, which is located in the garden. In the snow, please lock. Nobody here. So we are now entering the outside world. Oh, if I manage to open this stuff. We are outside. Damn it, scary. We are really outside. My Huawei is not filming. Okay, the Huawei finally decided to get us nicely. Wow, we are like really outside. Like it's bloody snowing. Woo. I told you I love hot springs, but that side it's like so bloody hot that not even I can get in. So this is split in two. Here it's written like nurume, like not so hot, and over there it's like it's like a volcano. You're gonna die. Wow, I found the final master onsen where I cannot get in. Wow, it's snowing. I'm really happy. It's snowing. I mean, this is the ideal way to experience hot springs. To be in like a really hot spa and then snowing from outside, from top of you. It's just amazing. It's so nice. And see the green here, see the green in the background.